Nothing. It's more frustrating than opening a Spotify through Windows PC, clicking play into the favorite song, and having absolutely nothing happen. You can hear absolutely anything. So whether the play button is completely unresponsive, the track is stuck buffering at 0, I'm going to be showing you what we can actually do to solve the troubleshooting process to fix Spotify not playing audio in Windows. So the first and most usual quick initial checks for step 1 before we dive into the deeper system settings is to make sure the Spotify has no accidental being placed into offline mode or muted into the Windows system settings. You can see that we have, for example, like the bar here from your music that is actually being played. Then what we can do is to make sure that here we don't have the mute button. If I select this, we can automatically look out for more music like this. There we go, it actually sounds. But in your case, let's say for example you hit into play, you level up the volume and it doesn't sound anything. Well, the next we want to look at the Windows taskbar into the bottom right corner and click into the volume icon to open the volume mixer, which in this case here is this specific icon. Now we can see that we scroll down to find the Spotify into the list of applications to ensure that everything looks correctly. So as you can see into the volume mixer, we have the Spotify at the top. And the volume mixer of the main one is at the top once again. So if everything looks correctly for you, well, sometimes the Spotify is set to your actual headphones or computer speakers rather than a disconnected Bluetooth device or the real audio channel. So if your output settings are correct but the player is still frozen, well, maybe we can change that element. So if I, for example, select here where it's been sounding my actual device, we can see that here is the element that says cable connection, or for example from my actual device that I'm currently using. So if you are from another device, then choose the one that you're actually looking for so your Spotify sounds into your Windows. So let's fix that just in case none of this actually works. If you press Control Shift and Escape, what's going to happen here is going to be popping up the Windows Task Manager. So into the process tab, you can look out through the list of Spotify. So when you clicked into Spotify, usually appears directly inside here. Let's scroll a little bit down because sometimes it appears a lot of services. So here it is. I scroll a little bit down and clicked into it and then clicked into the element that says end the task. So once everything is closed, wait about 5 seconds and then relaunch the Spotify from your start menu or the desktop shortcut and test now if the actual track it actually placed. If force restarting does not solve the actual issue, the next step is to disable the hardware acceleration and start Spotify settings. So the hardware acceleration uses your computer graphic card to make the app run smoother, but many Windows machines it frequently causes audio playback to freeze or stutter. So you want to turn this off, you open the Spotify, you click into the profile picture at the top right, like this, and you click into the element that says the settings. Just scroll down toward the bottom of the settings page to find the section titled compatibility, which usually appears directly inside here. So what you want to do is to turn the toggle off of the compatibility. Spotify will prompt you that a restart is required due to change the actual effect. So you want to go for reload and you're actually good to go. And if Spotify is still refusing to play the song, step 4 is to clear the corrupt cache files stored into the local drive. Clearing your cache details temporarily audio. So to make this, you want to go back into the settings by clicking into the profile picture when you open once again the Spotify, sorry. And inside here, I'm gonna go into my settings once again, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to the storage section, where you see a setting labeled cache, something like that, like this. So what you want to do is to delete all of this cache and go for OK. Confirm your choice, and for even the deeper cleaner, you can just close this, go for Windows R and to your keyboard and open the run dialog box. That type percentage app data percentage / Shopify, something like that, so you can delete temporarily files inside the actual folder. But I believe those are like the most common ways to solve the Spotify. But just in case still doesn't work at all, what you wanted to do, of course, is to go directly into your control panel. You want to uninstall the Spotify inside here, and you wanted to reinstall this directly into the Microsoft Store. Now, even something that actually happens a lot is that what you can do is to try to update the Spotify, because there's a lot of applications that sometimes sometimes doesn't work unless you have the availability to update it. So make sure that you have updated the last version of Spotify, uninstall it and install it once again. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you for watching. And if you had another solution that it might help to all of us, you can let us know once again into the comments below. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.